Here is the Iranshahr Thermal Power Plant with a capacity of 248 MW, which has 462 MW units on Bampur Road. As we can see, generating electricity is not an easy task. It requires a lot of effort, courage, and willingness to face challenges. Thanks to the efforts of the personnel of this power plant, we can be sure that this precious commodity will continue to be available to all of us. Electricity is a precious commodity that is difficult to produce. By reducing and managing electricity consumption, let's help the efforts of the electricity production industry. Public Relations of Sistan and Baluchistan Power Plant. Management Company.